Assalamu alaikum, honorable teachers, guardians, viewers, and my dear sweet little learners, good afternoon. And you are most welcome. You are most welcome on behalf the most popular educational page ঘরে বসে শিখি which is conducted you by A2I. And today I am here with you, and this is Nigat Sultana, assistant teacher, Motho Otra Government Primary School, Ujirpur, Borishal. And today I am here to present an English class, especially the student of class 2. So, my dear sweet little learners of class 2, please get ready with your English for today book, an exercise book and a pen. Today I will teach you unit number 5, lesson number 4, and lesson title is alphabet. So, dear super learners, at first I want to show you a video song about alphabet song. So, let's play the video song. Okay, please try to sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? So dear super learners, the alphabet song is very nice. Okay, today I will teach you alphabet, and now I am starting my class. Please look at the screen. What can you see? What can you see in the picture? What can you see in the picture? Do you know it? Yes. Look, here is another picture for you. Here is a picture and here is another picture. Watch it attentively. Do you know what is this? What is this? Do you know what is this? Okay, no problem. I will help you. This is umbrella. This is umbrella. This is umbrella. Look, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. This is umbrella. Okay. Now look at the screen. What can you see? This is a letter. This is a letter, and the letter is U. And the letter is U, and it's a capital letter. It's a capital letter. So look, here is another letter, and it's a small letter. But these are same. U and U. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, তোমরা জানো যে আমাদের অ্যালফাবেট মানে বর্ণমালা হচ্ছে লেটার হচ্ছে ক্যাপিটাল লেটার অ্যান্ড স্মল লেটার। লেটার হচ্ছে দুই ধরনের, ক্যাপিটাল লেটার অ্যান্ড স্মল লেটার। ইট ইজ ক্যাপিটাল লেটার অ্যান্ড ইটস স্মল লেটার। অ্যান্ড উই ক্যান সে U for umbrella. We can say what? U for umbrella. U for umbrella. And umbrella means হচ্ছে ছাতা। Umbrella means হচ্ছে ছাতা। So we can say U for umbrella, U for umbrella, and umbrella means হচ্ছে ছাতা. Look, here is another umbrella. Here is another umbrella. Look, here is another umbrella. Here is another. How nice. Okay. So we can say this is umbrella. We can say this is umbrella. So dear learners, we know that U for umbrella, and umbrella means হচ্ছে ছাতা. Now look, here is another picture for you. Here is vase. Here is another picture. Can you say what is it? Can you say what is this? What is this? Okay, no problem. This is vase. This is vase. Please try to pronounce with me. This is vase. So look, it's a letter and it's a capital letter. So it's V. Please try to pronounce with me. V. It's V. Here is another letter for you. It's also V, but it's a small letter. It's a small letter. V and V. And we can say V for vase. We can say আমরা বলতে পারি V for vase. V for vase, and vase means হচ্ছে ফুলদানি. Vase means হচ্ছে ফুলদানি. Vase means হচ্ছে ফুলদানি. দেখো যেখানে ফুল রাখা হয় সেটাকে আমরা সাধারণত বলি ফুলদানি. Here is a vase. Here is another vase. Okay, so we can say this is vase. So we can say this is vase. So we can say V for vase. Vase means হচ্ছে ফুলদানি. তাহলে আমরা শিখলাম U for umbrella. What? U for umbrella. Umbrella means হচ্ছে ছাতা. Then we can say V for vase. V for vase. Vase means হচ্ছে ফুলদানি. Okay. Now look at the screen again. Here is another picture for you. Here is a picture for you. Do you know what is it? Do you know? Please think. Here is another picture for you. Okay, here is another picture you. Do you know what is this? Do you know what is this? Yes, no problem. This is window. This is window. This is window. So look here and again. Here is a letter, and the letter is W. The letter is W. The letter is W. Okay. Here is another letter. It's a capital letter and it's a small letter. It's a capital letter and it's a small letter. And we can say W for window. W for window. We can say what? W for window. And window means হচ্ছে ছাতা. Window means হচ্ছে ছাতা. Window means হচ্ছে ছাতা. So look here again. Here, sorry, খুব sorry. Window means হচ্ছে জানালা. Window means হচ্ছে জানালা. So look here again. Here is another picture for you, and this is window. This is window. Here is another picture. This is window. This is window. So we can say this is window. W for window. Window means হচ্ছে জানালা. W for window. Window means হচ্ছে জানালা. W for window, and window means হচ্ছে জানালা. So we can say U for umbrella. Umbrella means ছাতা. V for vase. Vase means হচ্ছে ফুলদানি. And here is W. W for window. Window means হচ্ছে জানালা. So dear super learners, look at the screen again. What can you see? Here is a picture. Okay, look, here is another picture for you. What is this? Can you say what is this? Please think. Can you say? Can you say what is this? Can you say what is this? Yes, this is X-ray. This is X-ray. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, তোমরা হয়তো অনেকে জানো কিংবা অনেকে জানো না, যখন আমাদের শরীরের কোনো অঙ্গ প্রত্যঙ্গে কোনো সমস্যা হয় তখন সেই শরীরের ভেতরের অঙ্গ প্রত্যঙ্গ দেখার জন্য যে ছবি তোলা হয় তাকে বলা হয় এক্স-রে। দেখো এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের হ্যান্ড, মানে হাতের ছবি। এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের এই যে খাঁচার হাড়, ফুসফুস, বুক, এখানের ছবি। ওকে, সো এটাকে আমরা বলবো, হাত বলবো না, এটাকে আমরা বলবো এক্স-রে। এটাকে আমরা বলবো এক্স-রে। So look again. Here is a letter for you, and the letter is X. The letter is X. And here is another letter for you. It's also X, but it's a capital letter and it's a small letter. Okay, here is X. And we can say X for X-ray. We can say X for X-ray. We can say X for X-ray. And X-ray means হচ্ছে রঞ্জন রশ্মি. X-ray means হচ্ছে রঞ্জন রশ্মি. X-ray means হচ্ছে রঞ্জন রশ্মি. So look, here is another picture for you. What is this? X-ray. This is X-ray. What is this? This is X-ray. So we can say this is X-ray. This is X-ray. তো প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আমরা প্রথমে পেয়েছি U for umbrella. Umbrella means হচ্ছে ছাতা. Then V for vase. Vase মানে ফুলদানি. UV, তারপর W. W for window. Window means হচ্ছে জানালা. And here is X for X-ray. X-ray means হচ্ছে রঞ্জন রশ্মি. Okay. So dear super learners, look. What you can see? What can you see? Please look at the screen. Do you know what is this? Do you know what is this? Do you know? Do you know? Okay, no problem. What is this? This is yo-yo. This is yo-yo. Look, yo-yo. Yo-yo means হচ্ছে playing instrument. একটা খেলার সামগ্রী, যেটা দ্বারা সাধারণত বাচ্চারা খেলাধুলা করে থাকে. তোমরা হয়তো অনেকেই জানো, অনেকেই জানো না. So its name is yo-yo. Its name is yo-yo. What is this? This is yo-yo. This is yo-yo. Look, what can you see? This is a letter and it's a capital letter and it's Y. It's Y. So here is another letter for you. It's also Y. It's also Y. So it's a capital letter and it's a small letter. And we can say Y for yo-yo. We can say what? Y for yo-yo. And yo-yo means হচ্ছে yo-yo. Yo-yo means হচ্ছে yo-yo. Y for yo-yo and yo-yo means হচ্ছে yo-yo. Look, here is another picture for you. This is yo-yo. Look, here is another picture for you. This is yo-yo. So we can say this is yo-yo. This is yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Okay. So U for umbrella. Umbrella means chata. V for vase. Vase means fuldani. W for window. Window means janala. X for X-ray. X-ray means ranjan roshi. And here is Y. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo means হচ্ছে yo-yo. Now look. Here is another picture for you. What can you say? What can you see? Look, here is another picture for you. What can you see? Do you know? What is this? Do you know? What is this? Yes, no problem. This is zebra. It's an animal. Okay. The zebra is animal. So this is zebra. This is zebra. This is zebra. Now look. Here is a letter for you. Here is a letter for you and the letter is আমরা দুই ভাবে এটাকে বলতে পারি. এটাকে আমরা জিও বলতে পারি এবং জেডও বলতে পারি. So আমরা এটাকে জিও বলতে পারি এবং জেডও বলতে পারি. Here is another letter for you. Here is another letter for you and it's also Z. It's a capital letter and it's a small letter. Okay. And we can say G for zebra. G for zebra. G for zebra. Zebra means হচ্ছে zebra. Zebra means হচ্ছে zebra. Okay. So look here. Here is another picture for you. This is zebra. Look, here is another picture for you. This is zebra. So we can say this is zebra. We can say this is zebra. So dear sweet learners, now look at the screen again. What can you say? What can you see? Yes, U and U for umbrella. Okay, U for umbrella. V for vase. V for vase. And here is W. W means হচ্ছে W for হচ্ছে window. W for হচ্ছে window. So look, we can say U for umbrella. Umbrella means chata. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chata. Then we can say V for vase. V for vase. Vase means হচ্ছে ফুলদানি. Vase means হচ্ছে ফুলদানি. And we can say W for window. Window মানে হচ্ছে জানালা. W for window. Window মানে জানালা. So dear sweet learners, what can you see? What can you see? Yes, here is X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Here is Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. And here is Z. Z for zebra. Okay. So, we can say X for X-ray. X-ray means হচ্ছে রঞ্জন রশ্মি. X for X-ray. X-ray means হচ্ছে রঞ্জন রশ্মি. Here is Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo means হচ্ছে yo-yo. And at last, we can say J for zebra. G for zebra. Zebra means হচ্ছে zebra. Zebra means হচ্ছে zebra. So, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. It's capital letter. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. It's হচ্ছে a small letter. Okay. So, U for umbrella, V for vase, W for window, X for X-ray, Y for yo-yo, and J for zebra. G for zebra. So, dear super learners, now look here. Look here. This is a picture. Can you say what is this? Can you say what is this? Okay. Here is another picture. Please look at the picture attentively and please try to say what is this. Please. Here is another picture for you. Here is another picture. Can you say what is this? Can you say? Okay. Here is another picture for you. Can you say what is this? Please look at the picture attentively and think. Here is another picture for you. Please look at the screen and here is another picture for you. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here are 6 pictures for you. Now select the things and say the name. What is this? What is this? This is umbrella. What is this? This is umbrella. What is this? This is umbrella. Now what is this? What is this? This is window. This is window. This is window. What is this? This is yo-yo. What is this? This is yo-yo. Now what is this? This is zebra. This is zebra. Now what is this? Yes, this is X-ray. What is this? This is X-ray. And the last, what is this? What is this? This is vase. Okay. U for umbrella, W for window, Y for yo-yo, G for zebra, X for X-ray and V for vase. V for vase. Okay. Now look. Please match the columns with alphabet and the word. Match the column with alphabet and the word. দেখো এখানে কলাম এ দেওয়া আছে ইউ ভি ডব্লিউ এক্স ওয়াই জেড, এখানে এই অ্যালফাবেটগুলো দেওয়া আছে, অ্যান্ড কলাম বি তে দেওয়া আছে এই শব্দগুলো, ওয়ার্ডগুলো। তোমাকে কি করতে হবে, এই যে ইউ ইউ ফর হোয়াট, ইউ ফর হোয়াট সেটা মিলাতে হবে। যেমন ফার্স্ট ওয়ান, ইউ ফর আমব্রেলা, ইউ ফর আমব্রেলা, ইউ ফর আমব্রেলা। Then we can say V for vase, V for vase. Okay. Now please think W for please think W for window, W for window, W for window. Now look, here is X. So X for what? X for what? Okay, no problem. X for X-ray, X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Now here is another letter for you. Y. Y for you. Y for you. Y for you. And at last here is Z, but G. And G for zebra. G for zebra. ওকে প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আজকে আমার মূল আলোচ্য বিষয় ছিল ইউ পি ডব্লিউ এক্স ওয়াই জেড, এই ছয়টা অ্যালফাবেট থেকে যে আমার 6টা ওয়ার্ড শিখেছি এবং 6টা ওয়ার্ডের আমি বাংলা অর্থ শিখেছি। ইউ ফর আমব্রেলা, আমব্রেলা মিন্স ছাতা। ভি ফর ভেস, ভেস মানে ফুলদানি। ডাব্লিউ ফর উইন্ডো, উইন্ডো মিন্স জানালা। এক্স ফর এক্স-রে, এক্স-রে মিন্স রঞ্জন রশ্মি। Y for yo-yo means yo-yo, and here is G for zebra, G for zebra. So dear sweet learners, I hope all of you can understand my today's lesson, and আমি আশা করি তোমরা আজকে আমার পাঠের বিষয়বস্তু সবাই বুঝতে পেরেছো এবং বাড়িতে সবাই এটা চেষ্টা করবে, এবং আমার মনে হয় তোমরা যদি এটা আরেকটু চেষ্টা করো তাহলে শিখে যাবে। So dear sweet learners, thank you all. See you in my next class. Be happy till then. So, dear learners, thanks. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.